Okay, so got a little unboxing video for my YouTube channel. Just got off work. I mean, literally as soon as I got off work, I look up and I got this box right here. It says Harry's Shave Club. For all y'all that don't know, has some awesome products that I use from time to time. And my wife took the time to give me a nice little setup box. So I'm about to open this bitch. Got my Cobalt brand executive box cutter. Open it up with, hold up. Yeah, watch keep falling off the charger. Really? Alright, got that out the way. Close that knife up so I won't fuck my shit up. Okay. So I'll open up the box. Wife is in the kitchen whipping up a executive meal. You know what I'm saying? Here we have Harry's. I don't know what this is. But I'll put it right there. Little box. We have mystery item. It says, some believe it's in these ruins, but how will we ever find yada yada yada. Alright, open that up. That's all it's in there. Anything else that shit. Oh yeah, I got another video I need to upload. It's kind of like 2-3 weeks old. Got to do with the Impala. So I'm gonna load that bitch up. Hopefully after I load this up, if I can remember. If anybody ever comes to my page, that is, I think I got like 2 subscribers, but I ain't tripping. I don't really mess with YouTube like that anyway, other than watching videos my damn self. But I'm trying to do this shit a little more often, you know what I mean? Because I accumulate a lot of stuff. As you can see in my Apple Watch, that would have been a nice little unbox video or whatever, but it is what it is. So anyway, hold up, give me a second. I'm gonna set this camera around. Alright, open up the mystery item. Alright, just open up the mystery item. Got a nice smell to it, natural, like piney, spruce kind of smell. And this is 2-in-1 shampoo conditioner. That's I usually like the fig, but you know what I'm saying, I ain't tripping. It's a gift, you know what I'm saying, it's the thought that counts. And wifey always think about me. So, and this shit smells good as a motherfucker too. 2-in-1 shampoo conditioner that I need because I got a raggedy beard. Yeah, it smells real good. Minty, piney, fresh. I assume that this box right here is going to house the, what do you call it? Shavers, whatever. Razor. Oh, shit. Yeah, oh, yeah. Okay, everything you need for a clean shave. Okay. Hold it. Shit. Anyway, gotta put the camera down again to get this. Check it out. Got some content. It's like a razor cover. This is going to be the shaving gel. Same kind. Just the same fragrance from this in the shampoo conditioner. This, I thanks to the pandemic, we're going straight from the job. I am an essential worker. Don't nobody thinking I'm just out here running around crazy. But yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blades. Yeah. Got a nice hand feel to it. What, baby? Huh? You got tongs. Yeah. Anyway, shave gel. Small bottle. Lightweight. It's only 2 ounces, so should work with that for now. I know what this is. Share your Harry. The picture is worth 1,000 likes. Hashtag fist bump emoji. So yeah, a little handbook with his products, whatever. Anyway, that was the Harry shaver unboxing. I might give a little demo of my first shave with this time. Well, now I don't have a phone holder to do that with, but we'll figure it out. Anyway, if anybody shows up at my page, this is not a sponsored video, it's just me showing my shit. So, give it a like or a thumb, or whatever, or don't, I don't give a fuck. Anyway.